Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Capricorn. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Capricorn. And if this reading resonates, guys, and you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start with these cards. We have 8 of Wands in reverse, 9 of Pentacles in reverse, and the Lovers in reverse. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your career situation, or it may be in your relationship. Maybe for some of you, in your career, you would have done something you wish you never did. So some wrong choices or bad choices, something that is not working well for you. Or it may be in this relationship, you would have done something wrong, maybe decided something wrongly, and you're regretting those mistakes today, guys, and you feel really sad because of that, because of your mistake. You have lost the confidence in you or confidence in someone, and you feel that they are not reliable and they are not trustworthy. You cannot trust them anymore. So things are going in a difficult way because of your mistakes. So it may be your energy, guys, or it may be your person's energy. Maybe they have done some mistakes. They are regretting those mistakes today, but it is no use regretting our past mistakes. Things are not going to change. So you just need to learn from the mistake, the lessons. Only you need to carry only the lessons with you, not the feelings of guilt or sadness or regret, Capricorn. If you want to move positively, you just have to take the lessons with you, guys. But no matter what you feel, this past mistake is troubling you, guys. You don't see a way out of this anxiety or stress you feel today. And maybe your consciousness is simply troubling you, worrying you, killing you. So you are unable to give up that guilt you have today, guys. Maybe if you want a positive change, Capricorn, the first step is you have to let go of that sadness, pain, and expectation, and have kindness for yourself. Maybe you did something unintentionally and you never expected things to go in this way. So you have to be really compassionate with yourself. Maybe if it is your mistake, you have to be kind enough to forgive yourself. Or if it is someone's mistake, you should be kind enough to forgive this person. If you want to move forward positively in life, guys, only if you forgive and forget, you are going to get that clear conscience today, guys. Otherwise you will go on feeling really guilty. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. That is a reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Capricorn, for your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is this card, the first card. It is Celestite. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys, and with this crystal spirit, it stands for divine energy and clear channels of communication. So maybe today you are in a circumstance you need to communicate about yourself, or you want to communicate to someone close to you about something, and today you will get angels or guides who understand you, who send you love and come with a helping attitude to help you with any specific challenges you are facing in this relationship, guys. Maybe you need clear communication, and this angels, crystal spirits angels guidance is helping you to communicate your deep thoughts with this person. So you may get help. For some of you it may be some kind of a thought, a subconscious thought, something that comes out of on its own, something telling you. It may be like an intuition or some kind of a sign. Or for some of you it may be this angel's guidance may come through a friend or a teacher or healer who will connect you with that person with whom you need to have that open communication, guys. And this angel's guidance will come to you through strangers, or through some people whom you whom you have never met before. So you need to be really attentive, guys, to receive this guidance or help that is coming towards you. And all you need to do is just pray honestly, request honestly deep inside your heart if you need any help today, and that is going to reach you immediately, guys. So that is the energy with this card, the Celestite crystal spirit, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is building blocks. So in our situation, guys, in our relationship today, you are moving into a very a situation where you are trying to solidify the relationship you already have, or you are attracting new relationships with where you'll be able to build a strong foundation based on honesty, clear communication, and genuine desire to understand each other. So you are working towards laying that groundwork for this relationship, where you will be able to build that firm footing that will ensure that this relationship will last, will withstand any storm that you are facing. So whatever troubles or whatever arguments or misunderstandings that may come in this relationship, you both will be able to withstand all that if you have a firm foundation built on trust, honesty, love, and clear communication. So only that is going to make this relationship a positive working one, guys. So for those who chose this card stands for strengthening and also repairing. Maybe you need to communicate with this person, or you need to understand them, build that strength in this connection. This is the time for that. So you both are going to be stronger, wiser, and powerful together than apart. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.